I'm gonna put it on high because I'm extreme. Anybody remember that episode of That's a Raven? Just me? Okay. Feels like somebody's taking a toothbrush and like, let's try low. Girl. Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. What up, homie? Today, we're getting down to business. It's a very pressing issue at hand. Do these things work? Okay, so I'm super impulsive. I went to Walmart just to spend money. I saw this for $8. It's been there like the last 4 times I went to Walmart, but I was like being cheap at the time because I didn't want to buy batteries for it. But these things go for like no less than $25 online. You'll find it between like $25 and $65. It was $8 at Walmart. You think I'm not gonna buy it? You're wrong. You are wrong, honey. So here's the thing. I've been wanting to try these like pretty much my whole life. Like as long as these have been like a thing, I've been interested. I just never I was like, yeah, you know, I'll get around to it. Never got around to it up until now. I've been doing my makeup since I was in 6th or 7th grade. I'm 20 years old now. I've never tried these, even though I'm very serious about exfoliating because I'm such a makeup addict. I understand that when you're putting a lot of product on your face, you have to know how to correctly and effectively scrub that ish off, okay? So, we're just gonna be demoing these little brushes. I am very thorough with my skincare routine. I'm gonna be telling y'all if it works or not, period, okay? Because we need to know if these are worth our money or not. Ooh, do on that. I'm gonna be doing my skincare routine as normal, but when I go to exfoliate, I will be using this bad boy. I need to make sure I'm taking off my rings because if one of my rings go down the drain, I'm going with it. Like life cannot go on. See, and so I've only done step 1, which is I take bar soap to my face, scrub all the makeup off. But if you look here, my concealer is still sticking. Like my concealer does not want to come off. This is when I will take micellar water, but then when I scrub, I make sure I'm scrubbing really, really hard because I know that makeup will still stick and like it'll still stick to me and be like stubborn and not want to come off. So I'm going to go ahead and take micellar water. All right, my makeup is off thanks to bar soap and water and then micellar water. This is when I exfoliate. I'm gonna re-wet my face a little, really just dampen it so that the exfoliant is not too rough on my skin. I don't have sensitive skin, but I still don't play being rough on my skin. Not good. Don't more wrinkles. So I'm gonna dampen up my skin. And then we're gonna take my favorite exfoliant. A lot of people say this is too harsh on their face. Y'all are babies. The St. Ives Apricot Scrub is what works for me. If it works for me, it works for me. And if it doesn't work for you, it doesn't work for you. I don't know what to tell you, but this works for me. So I'm applying that all over my face like I normally do. We'll rub it in. But as a millennial, I live in the day and age of everything being done for me and being done fast. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna take my handy dandy little hand machine and it's gonna do it for me. Okay, should I wet it first or? Cause I can't go straight on like that. Nah, I'm wetting my skin a little. Maybe I didn't dampen it just quite enough. Because usually when I go to scrub it off, I do wet my skin anyway. So if I'm doing everything the same way that I would, then I have to wet my skin a little more. I'm gonna put it on high because I'm extreme. Anybody remember that episode of That's a Raven? Just me? Okay. Whoa. It is too fast. It like hurts almost. It feels like if somebody's feels like somebody's taking a toothbrush and like, let's try low because I can't do high. Okay. Low is better. But you want to keep it moving because when it stands still for too long, this thing hurt. Why does nobody ever say that these hurt a little? I don't even have sensitive skin, like at all. And this was too rough for me. It came with the sensitive skin head, like for the brush. I'm gonna try that because no. Because what I just experienced was a no. The non-sensitive skin one literally felt like toothbrush bristles, like scraping my face. And I scrubbed my skin pretty hard and that was like painful, like for real. Let's try high with the sensitive skin head brush. Oh, yeah. See, this one, even on high, the sensitive skin one doesn't hurt the way that the non-sensitive skin one feels on low. This is it right here. Let's try it on low. See, that feels good. I'm gonna get right up under here, under the eye. But I'm like, is this too rough for the under eye area? Because that's an area you want to be very sensitive with. But it feels like the sensitive skin head on low is good for me. And like I said, I have a high tolerance for pain and I don't have sensitive skin. So like, I don't know why that hurt. And if it hurt me, it's definitely gonna hurt somebody else. All right, it's pretty much scrubbed all the product into my skin at this point. So let's just take the product off with some water. Final thoughts. Ouch, kind of. The regular bristle head, the one that's not for sensitive skin, is borderline like actually painful. It legitimately feels like a toothbrush, like being scraped against your face. A hard toothbrush, like it was wet and then it dried real hard and there's still some toothpaste stuck in it, like that kind of hard. It was not comfortable at all. But the soft one, the sensitive skin head might have did something. I will say, I feel like this is a basic mechanics kind of little face machine, meaning if you pay $8 on it or $68 on it, it's going to do the same thing. It's the same thing. It's a spinning, you know, head brush with batteries. There's no reason to overpay for it. So look at your local Walmart. You might find one for as cheap as I found it. And look on Amazon. You know, Amazon has literally everything cheaper. At this point, I could probably buy a kidney on Amazon. So do these things really work? Let me get my magnified mirror because I can spot like makeup left on my face like that. So I've grabbed my super magnified mirror and obviously the little beads are still left on my face, but I'm just looking to see if there's any leftover product. Right here in the nose crevice, all that. I'm looking everywhere. And no, there is not. Usually I have leftover product here, under the eyes, forehead sometimes. And I'm not seeing that right now. Not only that, but my skin feels like exfoliated to the touch. So does it work? Yes, it works and it works well. And my skin seriously does feel softer and I'm not even like halfway done with my skincare routine. But at the same time, it does not work if you have sensitive skin, in my opinion. Maybe you can buy a super like ridiculously soft spin head, like bristle head, if you have super sensitive skin. But if you do have super sensitive skin, maybe just use your hands. Not everything is for everybody. That being said, I probably will be incorporating this into my skincare routine. Probably when I want to like deep exfoliate, you know what I mean? Like a few times a week, if I wore heavy makeup to an event or something, I'll probably use this to make sure I ain't got no product left on my face. On a daily basis, I'm not sure. Maybe. We'll see how much I reach for it because I'll say that I won't use something and then I use it every day and it becomes a staple because I change my mind a lot. But yeah, this was my very first time using one of these since I've been into makeup and skincare, and that's been like a really long time, so I'm surprised I've never tried one of these before. So I wanted to document it and do it on camera and tell you guys if it actually worked, because I know there are people like me who will wait on something for literally years before purchasing it. So this is for that person. Now you know if you should actually buy it or not. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a like and a comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram so that we can connect on and off YouTube, homie, okay? I'll see you in the next video.
Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Yeah, she keep giving me look hotter than the 6 in the summer. Dead ass, girl, I want. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Yeah, yeah, she keep giving me look. Yeah, girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man.